The idea of covering deserts with solar panels is captivating. Vast, sunny landscapes could be transformed into enormous power plants that meet global energy demands sustainably. Deserts are usually remote, sparsely populated, and receive intense sunlight year-round, making them seemingly perfect locations for large-scale solar installations. However, while it sounds simple in theory, there are complex factors that make this solution challenging. Here's a closer look at why covering deserts with solar panels isn't as straightforward as it may seem. 1. Environmental impact on desert ecosystems. Deserts are home to unique ecosystems, including various plants and animals adapted to harsh climates. Covering large areas with solar panels would disrupt these ecosystems, potentially displacing or even endangering native species. For example, desert tortoises, which are already vulnerable, rely on wide-open spaces and could be severely impacted by large-scale solar projects. Building vast solar fields may require clearing land, changing water flow patterns, and altering soil composition, all of which can degrade the natural habitat of desert species. Additionally, desert plants play a crucial role in maintaining soil stability. If disturbed, these areas could become more susceptible to erosion and dust storms, creating issues for both the local environment and the solar panels themselves. 2. Challenges with dust and maintenance. While deserts receive ample sunlight, they are also plagued by dust and sandstorms. Dust can settle on solar panels, blocking sunlight and reducing their efficiency. Cleaning solar panels in a desert environment is not only labor-intensive but also requires water, an extremely scarce resource in these regions. Frequent maintenance would be essential to keep the panels functional, leading to higher operating costs and the potential for resource conflicts. 3. Heat absorption and local temperature effects. Another often overlooked factor is the heat island effect. Solar panels absorb sunlight and convert it to energy, but they also emit heat as a byproduct. A vast array of solar panels could significantly increase the local temperature, potentially altering the desert's natural climate. Studies have shown that large solar farms can raise surrounding air temperatures, which may impact nearby ecosystems and even affect atmospheric patterns. This could result in a localized warming effect, potentially disrupting the already fragile desert environment. 4. High infrastructure costs and energy transmission. Most deserts are located far from the densely populated areas where energy demand is highest. Transporting electricity from remote desert locations to cities would require extensive transmission infrastructure, which can be both costly and inefficient due to energy loss over long distances. Building and maintaining these high-voltage transmission lines over hundreds of miles is not only expensive, but also time-consuming. These infrastructure challenges make it less economically viable to construct massive solar farms in deserts compared to smaller, more distributed solar installations closer to population centers. 5. Economic viability and competing land use. The financial investment needed for large desert solar farms is immense. While solar technology costs have decreased in recent years, creating a solar panel blanket over deserts would still require significant resources. Investing in smaller, decentralized solar projects in urban areas might be more economically viable, especially since urban solar installations can utilize existing rooftops, reducing the need for additional land use and minimizing transmission losses. Moreover, desert land can sometimes be more valuable for other uses, such as military training grounds, scientific research sites, or preservation zones for indigenous communities. These competing land uses complicate efforts to repurpose desert landscapes exclusively for solar energy. 6. Alternative approaches and complementary solutions. Rather than covering deserts entirely, many experts believe a diversified approach to renewable energy is more practical. This could include smaller, strategically placed solar farms combined with wind, geothermal, and hydroelectric power. Additionally, urban areas offer plenty of roof space that could be used for solar panels, reducing the need for large-scale installations in deserts. Advances in solar technology, such as solar windows and tiles, could further integrate renewable energy into daily life without requiring massive new land use. While covering deserts with solar panels is an exciting concept, the challenges of environmental impact, maintenance, infrastructure, and economic costs make it less feasible on a large scale. A more balanced approach, combining solar farms with diverse renewable energy sources and urban solar projects, offers a sustainable way to meet our energy needs without compromising delicate ecosystems or incurring excessive costs.